Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to fix YouTube subscriber count not showing. So if you are facing this error, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to check that you have a stable internet connection. And after checking that you have a stable internet connection, now what you have to do is you just have to open up your Play Store application and then search for YouTube. And after searching for YouTube, here you can find the YouTube application. You just have to tap on that, and if you find an update option, you just have to update your YouTube application. So I had already updated my YouTube application. So after updating your YouTube application, your problem might be fixed. But if this doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is you have to come back to your home screen and then open up your YouTube application. And after opening your YouTube application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and tap on the profile icon which is on the top left. And after tapping to your profile icon, now tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then tap on the fifth option, help and feedback. So inside help and feedback, now you have to tap on the last option, send feedback, and then tap on get started. And now you have to tell the problem that you are facing in your YouTube application. So for now I'm facing the problem YouTuber subscriber count not showing. So you just have to enter that problem. So you can enter a text message, or you can also enter a voice message to YouTube. So after entering your message, just tap on the arrow icon which is on the right side of your screen. So after entering your problem, now YouTube will send you an image of your profile. You just have to tap on highlight or hide info. And now you have to highlight the issue what you're facing in your YouTube application. So now I want to hide my subscriber count, so I'm just going to highlight that problem. After highlighting that, now you have to tap on the tick option which is on the top right, and then tap on continue which is on the bottom left. And after doing that, you just have to tap on yes. And after tapping on yes, now YouTube will fix your problem in 2 to 3 days. It might take some time. So this is what you have to do if you were facing YouTuber subscriber count not showing problem. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.